Introducing the HiBREW H10A coffee machine. Today we'll be making two drinks, hot and cold brew. We start by grinding fresh coffee beans using the HiBREW H10A grinder. Once the coffee is ready, add it to the handle and turn on the machine. Begin the extraction process, and soon we'll have a rich Italian espresso, full of flavor and perfectly balanced. Now let's switch to cold brew. Press and hold the button to change the mode. Add ice to your cup, then start the cold brew extraction. Watch as the machine effortlessly delivers a refreshing cold brew coffee, smooth and invigorating. Enjoy both a hot and a cold brew coffee with the HiBREW H10A coffee machine.